We had a cleanup on aisle 7. But what you do is, as soon as you move them out or move them anywhere, they're going to pee or poop. So if you move them twice, you'll have a clean area for a while. And they're still going. No settling down too soon for you guys today, huh? There's a puppy ruckus going on. Oh, Green's trying to jump out. Oh, he fell over, huh? Here comes Bjorn to the rescue. I'll save you, Moxie. What are you crying for, Diesel? Got all your buddies to play with. That's Pink. Hey, Diesel. There's Tux. And Bjorn.